Tyrell made that.
He's so serious. Got him a telescope. You're a younger babe, a meteorologist. He's been able to be a rapper, but still into all of this scientific crazy stuff, which is amazing because I'm into it too, but like, he's really into it. He a scientist or what? Yeah. Alright, y'all, we about to get this going. We're gonna tell y'all how it go when it's done. We gotta look at some stars and stuff. Oh my god, we can take this anywhere. Right. He's so excited. This is the quietest he's ever been. What is that?
So, I'm back with another video.
So, he's back.
And my telescope didn't work, bro. I'm mad as a motherfucker. Bro, I took my great time with that big old window back there. And I'm talking about, I tried, the queen tried, the queen and king tried. No go.
Y'all.
You can't see shit.
He can't show my face because I'm not.
She's not dressed.
I'm not dressed.
She's
but
ready for.
He was shut up. He was so ready for this damn telescope. He was so mad trying to put it together. Mind you, I like to just put things together without the instructions. Babe really took his time to look at the instructions.
Every piece.
And we still can't.
Bro, like it's pieces that don't match. Like who the fuck? I'm bringing it back to the store. I'm coming. You motherfuckers. I can't believe I took my time. And I mean, I took my time.
Yes.
I wanted this. Hey, look, I'm very into space. I'm very into. No, it ain't that much.
Hey.
I'm very into space. You heard me? The world, stars, UFOs, APUs, whatever the fuck y'all want to call them. But my telescope went, wah, wah, wah. I'm so fucking mad. You heard me? So this video is straight about don't buy a cheap telescope. Spend $100 and more. If you get one that costs $80, you get one that costs $97. Get $100 fucking telescope, man. Jeez, I want to look out the window, man. Fuck. It's all good though, but y'all know how it's coming. Stove in the rotation. Like I said, I just been in a good spirit. I've been feeling good. If you're on the other side of the fence, stay over there. Don't jump the fence, don't cut a hole, none of that shit, cause we gonna boot your back. But man, y'all keep rolling with your boy, man. Hit them buttons. You heard me? Get in the comments and tell me what y'all want, man. I'm going crazy. Oh yeah, no wait. Stop playing. It's up, motherfucker. I'm walking, I'm running, I'm walking, I'm running.
Go on, man.
Yeah, so it's New Year's Eve. I saw a UFO last night. Yeah, keep all that in there. That fucking weak ass telescope. I ain't even gonna expose the stove. I should, but I ain't, cause I shouldn't have been in there from the jump. But them motherfuckers will never get another quarter for me. I'm gonna go buy a lot of shit up out there, but not for me. You some of my bitches, and y'all know who I'm talking about. I'm gonna keep that to myself. I'll write it in the comments, but you motherfuckers sold me that weak ass telescope. Anyway, it's New Year's Eve, and I'm so happy as a motherfucker still. Damn, they're close. I'm with shit. I'm with my love. You heard me? I'm not tripping on nothing. It's snowing like a motherfucker. Y'all need to. Hey, look, show them this shit, baby. It froze out this motherfucker. Look at them. With the ugly ass. Man, oh, Lord, the bus, baby. That motherfucker spooked the shit out of me just now. Stink ass bus. But, man, it's New Year's Eve, man. I ain't got no firecrackers. Oh, Lord, oh. You gotta go slow on this road. Ooh, don't show them people I'm swerving up with them. I'm chill. This bitch swerve like boosting them, you heard me? Lamb, ride. Nah, I'm playing.
Damn, we made it on this side already?
Yeah, nigga, we been on this side. You heard me? Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I didn't mean to call you no N-word. I know they don't like that. Oh, Lord, what that is behind us, baby? All that blue light on, what that is?
That's the people.
That's a scraper?
Yeah.
Man, come tell that nigga, come on, man. Come till you can girl cut me. Oh, come on, man. Scrape won't go slow too, punk ass. And I'm up this bitch sliding. But I'm going to get burl food. I can't wait to get it too. Cause Lord knows I'm gonna talk about this food if it ain't good.
Ooh, and I'm telling my mom.
Ah!
Make sure you like, comment,
Yeah,
subscribe.
cause I'm coming back. I'm coming back and let y'all know how this Colorado /
This is
LA,
a quick boil. This
Burl.
is no, it is. This isn't like.
I
First
mean,
of all,
all burls is quick. I mean,
Nah.
they don't take hours. And I mean, you know, a little prepping, but you know, I mean, I understand. I mean, listen to me.
he be talking stuff, y'all. Don't let him fool y'all.
Yeah, I'm
he
just
think anything
talking
that's
shit.
not in Louisiana is fake.
Nah, I'm just
Yeah.
talking shit. I'm
Yeah.
really ready to bust up me. I ain't had no burl in a minute. So, you know, it's gonna taste good anyway. And Mary Jane said that. Man, what the man, bitch, get on somewhere. Ugly ass. Man, I can't stand them motherfuckers, man.
The bus.
Man, what? 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 Man, what? Babe, I hate them motherfuckers, dog. And that's the 15. That ain't even a 15L. Weak ass bus gotta stop at every stop. That bitch gotta stop at every stop, big cool. That motherfucker driver got so much boogers in his nose. Every time he open that door, that wind hitting his ass. Bitch, I can't stand them, me.
Look at how close you drive.
Oh man, I gotta drive like that. They gotta make sure, you know, gotta be cool out this bitch. You don't want to be any geek off the streets.
Yeah, look at all this space. Look at all this space, y'all.
Wait.
Behind you in the seat.
Man, this girl don't stop recording me. Them people gonna think I'm crazy up over y'all. You gonna say, why is he dry? Is his back broke? Nah, nigga. Hey, look, and my nigga said, you heard me? It was good they taught us how to hula hoop when we were small. They thought it was fun and game. What them boys doing out there hula hooping? That's because we was getting prepared for the be men.
Okay, wow.
You heard
okay,
me?
we're done.
We
No.
learned how to swing them hips right. Wow, what's up? It's New Year's Day. It's snowing as the shit. I talked that shit, but now I got that goddamn snow. I guess I done talked it up on me. But it's New Year's Day. We about to go to the store, get some good food to eat today. Shout out to Mama Z. We had some bomb ass burl food last night. Crabs. Ooh. Potatoes. With all that shit. It was good. I forgot what it was, but it was fire. Corns, all that. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. This gonna be a very, very different year. I mean, on the upslope. You feel me? It's up. Fuck with me. Pick it up. Come here, Pooch. Come here, Pooch. Come here, Pooch. Ah. Come here, Pooch. Look at my little Pooch. We just came from
Tell them
the
how bad you
studio.
are. Molly.
Recording some new music from Bad Mama General. It's fucking 1 degrees outside, gang.
Man, it's 4.
1 degrees out fucking side. Look at them. Look at my family.
Nice. He is over exaggerating. He doesn't know I'm about to get in the shower. I'm about to take a hot shower.
She's so sickening.
You're sickening.
Look, this little girl, bro. Get you a good girl. They're worth it. Yeah. Hey, Pooch.
Nala,
Hey, Poochie.
and if you pee on my floor in this store, I'm gonna fuck you up.
Yeah, we're in the store right now. We're in Cartel's Corner. Me and my big new store. Kia. With our pretty self. We're just cooling though, man. We just brought the new year in, making some good vibes, doing what we do the best, and that's go up. Come here, Poochie.
Looking for some water.
Come here, Pooch.
You thirsty, mommy?
Come here, my Pooch. Look at Pooch. Hey, Pooch. Tell him what's up. Poochie. Nala.
How come you never get out here and tell them about your project you're working on?
Well, I got a real big project coming up. It's gonna be produced by Underground Media, DJ Doc, you heard me, St. John Parish, LaPlace, Louisiana. Big up shit is going down. You heard me? So, yeah. I ain't got no features on that right now, so, y'all want to tap in. Hit your boy up, man. It's going up.
No, look. Why is she trying to score?
She better sit her little piece of head down. Look at my little Poochie.
Come here.
I love my little
Come
doggy.
Nala.
But, this
You
been
do
a
it,
good
I'ma fuck
year.
you up.
You heard me? It's been different.
Nala.
And now I'm in a new year. You heard me? It's like, you know how shit go. Out with the old, in with the new. You feel me? So, I'm about to go straight platinum, blast past gold. You heard me? Do not collect $200. You heard me? You cannot jail me. Man, look at this fucking dude. Man, that dog so mussy. Man, that dog mussy. Look, hey, mama. Let's go to heaven. Pooch. Hey, Poochie. She don't play with me. So why you keep on biting my fucking health?
Yeah, right when you said she don't.
Soon as I don't say this motherfucker bitch, it's a bitch. This is exactly what a bitch is. A female dog. So stop getting mad.
Hey, don't talk to me like
No,
that.
it's nothing wrong with. See, that's what I'm saying. See how people got the fucking world fucked up? This is literally a bitch.
My little baby.
Everything else that people call a bitch is not a bitch. This is a bitch. A female dog. This is my bitch. Hey, my little bitchy. Stop eating Papa hand. Hey, Poochie Poochie.
Is this time more comfortable now? Is that why you do acting?
My little dog love her daddy. My Christmas present. My bones bought me. Y'all can't see them bones right there. Y'all can't see them bones. They gonna say, man, what the fuck you doing up on this boat? Right? Yeah. So we into the building here. The bag man was on the building. Let's get it. We got Nala with us, just learning how to walk. Look at the pooch. Oh, pooch. You heard? I'm gonna take your other head off on the rear side.
We gonna chill. Come here, Nala. I'm chilling her down.
You know?
Come on, mommy.
This is how bosses be.
Look at her.
And this is how the bosses be. When you don't sit like this, you ain't no boss. You find me? But yeah, this the office spot. This is part of the space.
Y'all gonna get a better too. It's coming. Everything is getting built right now. And look at my little midget. Yeah, I found him in space. My little buddy. Look at his feet. Check his feet out. He got them feet.
Please get out my way, you know I'm cocky. Purple on like rockets. Left foot, right foot, yeah, I'm dead and poppin'. Hey, short hitting them curly fries, I'm spitting potato laws. Left foot, right foot, creep, yeah, I'm tryna hit them all. Posted through my money, man.